Hi friends, it's Petra here with another HipKit Club video, and today I am using the main kit, the embellishment kit, and the floral die. And we're going to fold, so origami it is. We're going to create a super simple heart shape as a base for our layout. I'm going to repeat it often so you can get the hang of it. You take a piece of square paper, any size, and fold it diagonal, both sides. And then you fold one point to the middle and the other opposite point to the opposite part of the paper. Then you fold the sides to the middle. You already have a heart. You flip it over, fold down the tops, and then fold in the outer pieces of the heart, the sides. And that's it. So another way. Fold diagonally, fold it again, to the middle, to the opposite side, then fold the points, flip the page, fold the points in, and fold the sides. And I've used two sizes of paper. You can use 6-inch, but I used 5.5-inch and 4.5-inch. But you can use any size. It's just, as long as it's square, it's okay. So if you get how it's done, then you can also fast forward the video, but I will repeat it a few more times. So diagonally, and then to the middle, to the other side, fold the points, fold the sides, and that's it. And as you saw, I have practiced on a piece of white cardstock, so you can always practice first, and then you also have that example to use for the rest of your layout. So with that stripe paper, it is a thing that you have to remember how you folded the paper, so diagonally, and then make sure that you fold to the center with a horizontal stripe, because if you had folded the other way around, then you would have had a vertical stripe. So that's something to remember when you are using that striped paper, to make sure that all the hearts are the same. So all the hearts are done, and now I'm figuring out how to place them on the paper, because I never have a pre-thought plan. Sorry. But then I decided to create a center circular layout. So I wanted to measure the center exact. So first I pointed the 3-inch mark, then I marked the center, so I would know where to place that horizontal line on the back of the heart. And now I decided that I also wanted the center of that center, so the hearts could be aligned perfectly. So before taping those striped hearts down, I just wanted to see how it looked. And it's easy to align those striped hearts because you can use the folds of the first heart. So I've used the leaves from that floral die cut, and I've cut them out in the same design paper as the first heart, so that light blue flowery paper. And I want the layout to be a bit more flat, so I'm using some foam tape to tape those top hearts down. I'm calling it flowers, but it looks like a flower, um, because otherwise it would be really bulky. So just a bit of foam tape does the trick. And I'm using some craft foam to layer my photo on, just to give it a bit more elevation. So I'm using those gorgeous foam stickers for my title, and using these puffy stickers from the embellishment kit for some more accents. And then I think it's missing something. So I've cut really small strips of that striped paper, and I tried to make them as thin as possible. And when they are stuck down, I think it's done. I think that was the part that was missing. So I hope you liked it. I hope you got some inspiration. If you want to know how to fold the hearts, just play the video again. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I hope to see you soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.